Welcome back to MTS Mouthful to Soulful. In today's video, we will be showing you how to make your very own herbal bath powder. This powder is not only easy to make but also packed with natural ingredients that will leave your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. So, let's get started. To make this herbal bath powder, you will need green gram flour 1 kg, rice flour 50 grams, Kasthuri Manjal 50 grams, Nagar Mota 50 grams, Multani Mitti 100 grams, Yasti Madhu 50 grams, Bale fruit powder 50 grams, vetiver roots powder 50 grams, amla powder 50 grams, dry ginger powder 50 grams, rose petal powder 50 grams, tulsi powder 50 grams, white turmeric powder 50 grams, camphor powder 1 teaspoon, orange peel powder 50 grams. Now mix them well until all the ingredients are evenly distributed. Ensure that we are only adding finely blended ingredients so we achieve a finer texture. If you want, you can also transfer the mixture onto a newspaper so it is easy for you to mix it thoroughly. Once you achieve your desired consistency, store it in an airtight container. Make sure the container is dry and clean to preserve the freshness and effectiveness of the herbs. Now I am adding another 50 grams of the Multani Mitti. Now that our herbal bath powder is ready, let me explain how to use it. You can take a few drops of oil and massage onto your skin. Now take your desired quantity of the powder and add a few drops of water. Make it into a fine paste and scrub it on your skin so it removes all the dead cells from your body. You can also use it daily in place of your bath soap. Please note, some people might be allergic to natural ingredients as well. So don't forget to do a patch test before you apply it on your body. After the bath, rinse off with clean water and pat your skin dry. You will notice how refreshed and relaxed you feel after this herbal bathing experience. And there you have it, your very own DIY herbal bath powder. It's a very wonderful way to treat yourself to a relaxing and rejuvenating bath. Give it a try and let us know how it worked for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more DIY natural beauty recipes. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.